Let's say you receive a complicated, long contract like this. It happens all the time, right? Now, I don't know about you, but I don't want to go through all this stuff and read every single word. But because I'm the one signing it, I don't want to just sign something without understanding it. So I got a bunch of questions in my head. I sometimes don't even know exactly the questions that I need to ask over here. So the best thing to do, open this up in Microsoft Edge, which is what I have right now. Now, this is a Google document, or within Google, it's a PDF document. Doesn't matter. As long as I open it up in Microsoft Edge, and then I can click on this Copilot right here up top. Right, you open this up, the panel opens over here, and here I've already been talking, about this document. I've been conversing with AI, in this case Microsoft Copilot, to talk about this proposal. First saying summarize the main points. So it's telling me agreement overview, changes to term, usage policy, termination policy. Okay, all good stuff. So I went through all that stuff, comfortable with most of these things. Some of the stuff I'm not 100%. Then I ask additional questions. How does the risk-free trial work? Now, this one is about hiring a contractor. So I want to know, what does that entail for risk-free trial? So it's telling me about that. Then more questions. What happens after the trial period? Anyway, so I'm going through this and talking to the document basically. Pretty dense document. Instead of reading it, going through it, still you want to, of course, check your work afterwards or check the document for anything that you've missed. Trust, but still verify for sure in any AI setting, including this one. But this helps me so much get to what I really want to get to with the specific things that I want to get to understand. Hopefully this saves you time as well. Once again, I'm conversing with a PDF document. Doesn't matter if it's coming through the Google ecosystem or Microsoft ecosystem. As long as I have this open up in the browser and Microsoft Edge specifically, I'm using the Microsoft Edge Copilot here to do all that good stuff. You don't need a Copilot license for that either, by the way. There's a free version of it. Now I'm using the paid version. I got the web and I got the work. I'm using the web one right now, but you can do this without any licensing. So hopefully you can do some of that stuff and save yourself some time and headache.